We love to listen to sounds, to words,
What she really wanted was a man.
to music. In various media, from many devices, in any situation. Now imagine a new experience. It's adaptive, immersive, and interactive. Object-based audio. Miriam is enjoying the new features of an object-based audio stream using the ORPHEUS app. With her headphones on, she can select binaural. That's 3D audio that sounds just like what we naturally hear. She can also jump straight to chapters and get additional information, or even use the attached transcript to find and navigate to what she's interested in. And if she hasn't got enough time, she can focus on what's important and vary the length of a program. And there's yet one more thing. You can make speech or dialogue louder if you want or need to. These are great new features you can experience with object-based audio.
What I found interesting is that many people said, yes, it's logical that it should work like this.
To make this happen, 10 European media industry major players collaborated in the ORPHEUS project funded by the EU Horizon 2020 programme. For the final workshop at the IRT in Munich, more than 100 audio and broadcast professionals gathered to see, listen and experience the ORPHEUS achievements.
Our main objective was to develop, implement and validate a complete object-based broadcast chain. This is not a task for one research institute or one company or one broadcaster. I was very thankful and happy to coordinate such a motivated team.
So basically it's really that we achieved our main goal, this end-to-end reference architecture, so based on our pilots that we conducted on the trials on the way to this reference architecture. That's really a big thing because this will help broadcasters to make the transition successfully from the traditional channel-based world to an object-based world.
So, object-based audio is already here. Get the experience.